Samsung is finally making big changes to its Galaxy Z Flip 7, and it looks like it's coming for the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. A new leak reveals a bigger cover screen, a larger battery, and a sleeker design. So, is this the upgrade we've been waiting for? Let's dive in. Fresh renders from Android headlines and on-leaks give us our best look yet at the Galaxy Z Flip 7. The most noticeable change? A much larger cover screen, now wrapping around the cameras, just like the Razr 50 Ultra. This is a big jump from the Flip 6, which had thicker bezels around the outer display. But that's not all. Reliable Tipster Ice Universe has also leaked protective cases for the Flip 7, confirming the new display design. And under the hood, we're getting a major battery upgrade, from 4,000 mAh on the Flip 6 to 4,300 mAh on the Flip 7. That means longer battery life, even with a bigger screen. Powering it all? The Snapdragon 8 Elite, the latest from Qualcomm. Plus, Galaxy AI and Android 15 base One UI 7 right out of the box. Samsung is clearly stepping up its flip phone game, but is it enough to beat the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra? We'll have to wait for more details, but for now, things are looking exciting. What do you think of the Galaxy Z Flip 7? Let us know in the comments.